So guys, how to add border around images in YouCut? It's really simple. Let's create a new project. Select a background you like. Now we are inside our sample project. Select PIP. Import the image you want. Let's scale it up a little bit. Remember to select the image layer. Look for AI. Play with the options, original or AI. Go to outline. Select the outline style you like. Adjust the outline width, color, and we are done. This works with any image you have. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.